Dear viewers, today we will discuss Binet Simon individual intelligence test. Very important topic in educational psychology. The Binet Simon individual intelligence test, also known as the Binet Simon scale, is one of the earliest and most well-known intelligence tests in educational psychology. Developed by French psychologist Alfred Binet and his colleague Theodore Simon in the early 19th. The test was designed to measure children's cognitive abilities and identify those who may need special education services. The test consisted of a series of tasks and questions that varied in difficulty and complexity, ranging from simple tasks such as repeating a series of numbers to more complex tasks such as completing analogies and solving puzzles. The test was designed to measure a variety of cognitive abilities, including memory, attention, language, and problem solving skills. One of the key features of the Binet Simon scale was the use of mental age, which was calculated based on the child's performance on the test compared to the average performance of children at different ages. For example, if a child performed at the level of an average 8-year-old on the test, their mental age would be 8. This measure allowed educators to identify children who were lagging behind their peers and provide them with appropriate educational interventions. The Stanford Binet Intelligence Scale, one of the most popular intelligence exams in the world, was developed by American psychologist Lewis Terp after they modified and altered the Binet Simon scale in order to identify students who may require extra support or specialized educational services, such as gifted and talented programmers or special education services. Educational psychologists still use cognitive ability tests such as the Stanford Binet intelligence test as well as other measures of intelligence.